No, I already had to go to church. Let's go. Nice.
What?
Grab it, dude. Oh. Grab it. Go off it. Come on, Tony. Defense. Let's see some defense. Watch the rebound.
Basket. Ah.
Yeah, it's working.
Wala si Tio Alvin eh. Ah. Yan. B team eh, mas ano yung A team eh. Pero maglalaro yung susunod nito eh, sa Santa Clara. Kung anong mananalo doon, yung makakalaban nila. Good! Move!
Rebound. Go, Jude. Jude, be aggressive. Come on, Jude. Be open. And go, back to it.
Pag kayang pasukan, pasukan mo. Ayun o.
Rebound.
Walang problema yan eh. Hindi marunong mag-kick out. No?
There you go.
Ooh.
Go, team.
Go for ball!
Go.
Tira. Balik mo.
Jude, be aggressive, Jude.
Go for ball!
Right there, come on.
Right!
Go to the basket. Basket. Come on, man.
Hustle, let's go!
Like, well, some good offense. Come on. Come on, come on.
Hey, don't move. Let's go, Blue. Let's go. Go defense! Hands up!
Tumatawag lagi.
Come down! Let's go, Blue! Move, let's go!
Come up and help.
Hands up, hands up!
Clear
Go
out.
for ball! Get in front!
Go.
Right there in the corner.
Mabel. Alat to si ano ngayon.
Ha? Ano?
Alat. Ang daming saksak, wala.
Sino? Siyempre sa akin.
Move the ball, let's go!
Ang daming open, hindi binabalik.
Ayun yung nangyari ganyan eh.
Head up!
Go ball!
Ah, bagal. Shoot it!
Right there. Good pass. Take it.
Nice. Wow. Run, run, run!
Move the ball, let's go!
Oi.
Oh!
Shake it
Nice
out!
rock. Use backboard.
Let's go, Fred! Let's move the ball! Smart passes!
Oo. Sabot din yun na naman.
Hey, don't force it!
Nice. Ang bilis ng oras. hindi pa siya mainit kanina. Ilang ano siya, puro wala talaga. Alam ko, bibreakin na naman yung ano.
Nasanay na yun.
Oh. May pupunta sila sa Clippers game versus Spurs. Pag may extra ticket na sila. 16. Na?
Wala ako dito.
Wala.
Prepare.
March.
Oh, March. Kami, March. Yeah, wala ako dito.
Maglalaro sila sa ano eh. Sa
Support?
court. May kalaban sila. Tapos, yung laro nung Clippers 7 yata. Pwede kami bumalik.
Okay. Kami na.
Pag may extra ticket. Kasi po, pang Scorpion eh.
Sino ba nawawala?
It's okay. Yeah?
Sino ba nawawala?
Saan?
Wala.
Yung matangkad lang sa atin? Yung isang matangkad. Dapat nag-ano na yun dito para ma-experience niya yun, diba?
Come on. Hands up, hands up.
Oh. Sayang. Shoot it. Pass.
Let's move the ball.
Come on, boys, let's go.
Rebound!
Rebound, boys. Watch your outside.
Rebound.
Travel.
Let's go, boys, let's go.
Huh?
5 minutes pala.
Go.
There you go.
Go to the ball. Hihintay, no?
Let's go, defense. Hands up.
What? travel yun.
You feel it? I can feel it. No, that's
Kung ganito tayo maglalaro, mahirap.
Hmm?
Kung ganito yung laro.
Kung ganyan na. Sipag pa naman itong pang...
Let's go, Blue! Keep moving! Come on! Strong! Be strong! Come on, Ramos! Box out! Let's move the ball!
Go! Run, run!
You step up your defense.
Diretso, diretso!
No. Come back in your six. Come on, screen for him.
Come on!
Let's play the shot, boys.
Shoot it!
Come on, Will.
Get it done!
Good job. Let's go. Come on,
Let's go, Blue!
Go on, Rick.
Up!
Shoot it!
Come on, defense! Hit it back!
Ayan na eh.
Nilalamang na ng 20 ganyan. Malay pa kasi diretso.
Gawa na sila ng ano nila, no? Wala, hindi na sa mga hawak magkaad eh.
By 18 na.
I have them in the car, but they were saying
Slow, first quarter, slow.
Oo nga, hindi maka-score pa yung ano eh.
Bryce, watch the block when the ball goes there. You gotta cover down.
Let's move, Blue! Let's move the ball!
This is nothing! Come on!
Better pass it, Blue! Get open!
Don't give him a shot!
Good D, good D. Just settle
Back,
down. Why
defense,
did you do
get
that?
back! Hands up!
The ball!
Box out!
Oh.
Rebound!
Hustle!
Let's go, Blue, run!
Come on, come on!
Come on, you guys! Don't give up.
That was
Spider-Man.
Sunod sila eh.
Listen sila.
Kalaban sa Clara.
good defense, let's go!
Back door, Bryce, back door!
Hands up!
Bryce, Bryce!
You
gotta-
boys, come on!
Get open! Don't force it, guys!
Let's take shots, let's go!
Get open, move! Hands up, call for ball, guys!
That middle's flooded, guys, come on!
Let's go, move! Call for ball, guys!
Take up!
Get open, let's go! Take it off!
Oh. Ayaw nila mag-shoot, pre.
Let's go,
Kaya to,
Spartans!
nakaswerte yung maliit pa yung nakashoot niyan.
Let's go, Spartans! Let's go, Lobos! Oh, stop.
They are neighbors, right?
Eh?
They are our neighbors.
Yeah. That one's the team B. Later, the team A gonna play with against Santa Clara.
Where?
Here.
When?
Today.
Today?
Yeah. Who's gonna win on that two? If we win this, we're gonna pay.
What time is the other game?
After this. Kaya nga eh. Hindi na nabuo yung ganyan natin ah.
Yung cheerleader.
Oo.
This day here, dapat meron.
Naglalaro. Naglaro siya ng last tournament. Yung susunod na Santa Clara. Tatlo lang ang maayos sa player eh. Pero big time. Yung nakaraan, kalaban namin. Dalawa lang eh. Tinalo ka.
Hey, what's up, man?
Ay, good.
Galing system.
No?
Sa college.
Eras! May sasabihin si Tito mo.
Let's go, Cyrus.
Tell to guys. Check.
Don't answer right away.
Check dribble first. Check the open man. If not, penetrate. Tell to Bryce. Make a play.
So next game is against
Santa Clara against the A team of RJ Pro. Who's gonna win on that? Play against the winner of this. I think I'm gonna stay and watch to check.
Since the other team is supposed to be the same age, same grade.
That one. This league is 7 and 8. I think that one is 7 and then team is 3. Or it's the same. Oh, there's a lot of players. That's why they divide. Yeah, but all the good players, the A team. And then Santa Clara. They only have one team. One team or two. But this team is the one that got 3 guys. Very good.
Let's go, Lobos!
Only that's what we're gonna watch the game. Let's go, Spartans!
Team B nila to yun, Team A yun. Dalawa yung pinasok nila. Yung mananalo doon, yung mga kalaban lang mananalo dito sa Skarte! Move, move, move!
Let's get big defense. Get ready, defense.
Start.
Hands up, get big.
Skarte, Cyrus, Skarte! Middle, sa middle!
Hands up, move.
Let's go, get defense. Let's go, let's go. Smart passes. Hands up. Call for ball. Call for ball.
You take it.
Let's go with the ball.
Ah, travel.
Good job.
What?
Let's go, boys. Come on.
Backshot, oo.
Move.
Because my cousin was there, or my nephew, so he likes to play.
White!
The other one has
Call for ball.
Ah,
Get open, let's go.
nawakan eh.
Let's go.
Run!
Come on, get him back. Get him back.
Be smart, Cyrus. Be smart.
Middle, 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 middle.
Very good.
Stop
the ball, stop the ball. Hands up.
You got a weak side.
Hands up.
Let's go, move.
Let's go,
Get to your corner, Jacob.
Let's go. Go defense. Get your hands up, Jude. Hands up, Jude.
Saksak, saksak.
Aggressive. Move.
Stay with them.
Hands up. Hands up.
Kamay.
Let's go, hustle back, hustle.
Come on, hurry.
Ready, let's go.
Run!
Give it up.
Magal.
Get to your shooting side, Jacob.
Hands up, let's go.
Move, move!
Let's go defense. Get big. Back corner. Let's go, Lobos. Keep moving.
Come on, use your legs. Use your legs.
Hands up.
Come on, come on, come on.
Ibang school ba ito? Ibang school.
Huh? Santa Clara eh. Hindi, Santa Clara eh.
Yan ba yung malakas na?
Oo. Ayun o. Naglalaro na sa Scorpion yan eh. Sama sa mataas na level. Yung isa, yung Ian, nagdadang na.
Let's go.
Pero tatlo lang sila.
Go, Blue.
There you go!
Hustle, let's go.
Wow! Nice! Yeah! Run!
Look down. Look down.
Too late. Swing! Swing! Nice! Wow. Relax, relax. Coba, coba. Ayun o. Corner. Ah.
Look for Devin.
Hoy.
Don't pick up your dribble.
Oh. Nice. Relax, relax. Get your rhythm.
Come on, Ralph.
Penetrate, penetrate. Kabila, kabila.
Move, Cyrus.
Taas kamay. Ah, traveling. Yan, lalabas eh, no? Wala sa isip nila yung babalik sa labas eh, no? Eh, yung dalawa na yun. Ayan. 3 at saka 8. Wala pa yung isa, yung 7.
Nandun yan.
Ha?
Nakita ko naglakad dito kanina.
Ayan. Tapos may panggulo pa silang malalaki. Naglaro na. Dapat kayo naglaro. Hindi na naglaro eh. Ang ganyan yung style ng malalaki natin. Mahirapan tayo dun. Magbabantay dyan, kailangan kaya nilang ano.
This guy's, I listen to my opinion before. Yes, this was this. Like, you know how that was? No, listen, listen, listen.
Nagis lang ah. Penetrate, penetrate. Yan. Shoot. Shoot it. Ha? Kaya na.
Come on, get back on defense.
Isa pa. Shoot it. Ayun. Nice. Masyadong malapit yung abot.
Let's go! Get down and pull the ball!
Rebound.
Watch out! Stay in the front!
Good defense, good defense.
Let's go, Lobos!
Way to be aggressive.
There was like no reason to
Oh, grabe.
Let's go, Lobos! Let's go, defense!
Yeah.
Stay right there! Oh my god. Watch out!
Oh, get closer, boys.
Go, Lobos, let's go!
Go, Jim.
Right there.
Inside.
That's your corner, Jacob. Try it. Try it, Jacob. That's your corner,
Go,
buddy.
hustle, hustle.
Stop it!
Ayun pala, number 5. Ano yung tatlong big three nila? Ayun, number 5.
Good job, Spartans.
Let's go! Let's move!
Hey, Jim. Go, run.
Look up! Look up! It's a good drive, Bryce.
Watch the screen! Hands up!
Rebound.
They're watching the ball. You know I juiced it. Hands up, let's go!
Straight to the rim, Bryce.
Look for Jacob. Jacob.
Attack! 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 Attack!
Hands up!
Good. Nice. Oh.
Keep it, keep
Now you want to
it.
rebound. Now you want to rebound.
Run.
Let's go, Jeff.
Hey, why you guys letting us kick?
Oh, nice try, Jude.
Rebound! Rebound!
Hustle!
Run. Ah, ang bagal.
Rebound!
Let's move!
Bagal mo yung
Get
mamasok.
down, get down, hustle! Hustle!
Oh.
Grab it. Let's go, come on.
Penetrate, guys. Penetrate.
Boys, it's go, come on.
Price! 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 Middle! Stop going to the side!
I can't do it. I can't do it. Hold the ball!
Go, George!
There we go!
Huh? Penetrate, Bryce. Get it. Oh.
OMG! OMG! OMG!
Ah. 17. Last shot, Bryce. Take the last shot.
Middle!
There.
Middle!
Get the ball, Bryce.
Shoot it!
Yes,
Hold the
sir.
ball, hold the ball, hold the ball. Hold the ball, hold the ball.
Ah.